This is the better song.
Say testing, 1, 2. Get on the other side, Claire.
Over there, babe.
All right. A little head shake.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you know the song Uncle Steve is Great? I think you ought to play that one.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go! Yeah! Yeah! All right. And Claire Bear on the tambourine. Bow?
Not me.
All right. And Bobby Vogel on the electric guitar.
On the Harlem, baby.
On the Harlem guitar. Do you know any other songs?
No, but this sounds like a good song I'm making up.
I'm listening.
They're all original.
Wait, how about a little song?
Sheep are coming out of the water. That song goes more to that other.
Oh, I want to hear it though. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Wait.
Yeah. You gotta have that.
How about Alleluia?
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Yeah. That's awesome.